Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and now today's video we're going to unlock the Swan room. So this is a quick summarization. To enter Swan's room, the player needs to be at least 1000 and level 1000, and the player must give a physical Blox fruit to actually do this. It's worth like 1 million belly, so or above, to Trevor, the NPC, and only then will the player be able to enter the room. So he can be found at the prison island, where he spawns 30 minutes after he is defeated, okay, which is similar to Don Swan's in the second sea. So once you complete the quest, that'll be at the 15,000 plus. So that's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and that's the summarization of how to get the Swan's room. You guys have a nice day.